Hi everyone, you're watching Wildix collaboration tutorials. Today we will continue exploring different settings available in collaboration, and in particular we will talk about setting up your function keys, also referred to as BLF keys. Function keys are set up for your Wildix desk phones. They allow us to monitor and manage different functions and users, colleagues. And here is a preview of what you can achieve by setting up BLF keys. For example, you can see the present status of your colleagues, and you can tell right away who is available, the green circle or the tick icon, who is in Do Not Disturb, the brick icon, who is away, the clock icon, who is receiving a call or talking on the phone. Depending on your needs, you can use BLF keys, function keys, to speed dial someone, to pass a call to someone, to change the status of a switch or of a timetable, to monitor incoming calls to groups or to single colleagues, to pick up a ringing call. If these activities make part of your daily life, then it absolutely makes sense you set up the function keys because it will save you a lot of time. Currently, function keys set up in collaboration are applied for WP phones, for workforce, for welcome console, vision, supervision, mobile apps. And each of our phones support a different number of BLF keys. For example, it's 120 for vision and supervision, it's 16 for workforce, it's 60 out of the box for welcome console, and the number can be increased if you connect more keypad extension modules. So please check the datasheet for each device for more information. Function keys are also available in collaboration. Once we set up our function keys here in the settings menu, function keys, we have an additional tab here in the top menu, also called function keys. And I made several video tutorials, for example, call transfer via BLF keys or call pickup, where we actively use this menu to manage calls via collaboration. In this video, we will only talk about setting up BLF keys for your Wildix desk phones. To add function keys, first you need to select the key from the drop-down list. For example, colleague, and then you need to click plus to add this key to the list of function keys. Then we can assign this key to a person in case with a colleague, or to a group in case with a call group, for example. And we also have an option to set the label that will make sense to us. For more details on each function keys and what you can do with it, please consult Wildix collaboration guide. It is explained there. For example, if we activate the I option, View Calls, we will be able to see who is calling this person right from our phone screen. If we activate the Speaker option, Audio Notification, we will hear a beep when this person is receiving a call. If there are any keypad extensions connected to my desk phone, I need to select the EXP module from the drop-down list here on the top, and then I can use drag and drop to move it, depending on where I place it. Starting from there, all the function keys that are displayed below will belong to this extension module. I can add then a second one and a third one. I hope you find this tutorial useful. In case there is any feature that we didn't cover yet but you're curious about it, please ask for it in comments and we will get back to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.